What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is the Credit Guys YouTube channel, the things where we talk about all things credit and finance related. I'm your host, Gilberto. Today's topic of the video is going to be how to properly use balance transfer credit cards. So let's just get right into it. How to properly use balance transfer credit cards. What is balance transferring on credit cards? Who is this for? What cards to pick? Balance transferring is basically the ability to move one piece of debt from one credit card to another credit card that maybe has a better offer. 0% interest for 6 months, 12 months, even 15 months. So this is good for somebody who maybe has a maxed out credit card that is paying very high interest on it, and if you're just paying the minimums, it's going to take a very long time to get that card paid off. So sometimes you have to check around. Other credit card companies will send you offers, or if you're looking, other credit card companies have offers where you apply for their card, you get approved for 0%, you transfer the balances over from one credit card to the other, and now effectively you are paying 0% on that credit card, saving you all of the interest. This is good because it's going to save you so much money in the long run if you're not somebody who's able to maybe pay your card off in full every month. Now, some things to understand. If all of your credit cards are maxed out and it is affecting your credit score, and you do go and apply for a zero balance credit card, 9 times out of 10 you are going to get denied because your credit limit is already maxed out, and so you're seen as a high risk. This would be good for somebody who has maybe 2, 3, 4 different credit cards and only 1 or 2 of them is maxed out. That way your approval rating is much higher versus having all your credit cards maxed out and then going and trying to apply for the balance transfer. Another thing you could do is a product change. What a product change is when you call your credit card company up, and depending on which type of credit card offers they have, you can ask them to change to a 0% balance transfer credit card, and seeing if they will honor it that way by converting your interest account into a 0% interest account. So again, today's video topic was how to properly use balance transfer credit cards. These are going to be great to save you money on interest, especially if you're somebody who likes to carry smaller balances on your credit card and can't necessarily pay them off. Some good balance transfer credit cards that I would recommend are the Amex Blue Cash, Chase Business Credit Cards, Chase Personal Credit Cards, and the Citi Rewards card. All those do have 0% balance transfer or 0% sign up interest fees or rates, So that was the topic of today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Gilberto from Credit Guys. See you later.